Hello subscriber. Today we discuss about the electric current unit. Unit of an electrical current means the SI unit of an electric current. The SI unit of electric current is an ampere, and we also discuss about the ampere. What is mean by a 1 ampere? What is an ampere in the volt? And is the ampere is the same as the means is a if an indication of a amp is the same as ampere, who is ampere and his contribution. We discuss about their simple definition and also who designed this ampere or who discover this ampere. So please, before I even starting this topic, please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this. The simple definition of an ampere: the ampere, often shortened to AMP, is a base unit of an electric current. Is an international system of a unit. Its name is named after Andrew Marine, Ampere, French mathematician and physics, considers the father of electromagnetism. That will be design or discover this electric unit on working on electromagnetic inductions. Andrew Marine Ampere, a French mathematician scientist, which has been discovers the ampere. What is mean by a 1 ampere? 1 ampere is designed as a current that flows with an electric charge of 1 coulomb per second. Means 1 coulomb per second or 1 ampere is equal in an electric current. Means electrical current is in initial discoveries. The electrical current is also measured in coulombs. The definition of a 1 ampere: 1 ampere is designed as a current that flows with an electric charge of 1 coulomb per second. And the other one question about it: what is the ampere and the voltage? The voltage in amperes are a two measuring of electric current or a flow of electron called the voltage, and is it's measured in pressure within the allow electrons to the follow the while the ampereing in the measuring of a volume of electrons. Means the volume of electrons is in ampere and the flow or speed from one point to the other point is called the voltage. In a diagram of an electrical system, the AMP in the full or in a language has been written as a AMP is the same as the ampere. Where assuming you are converting between the ampere and ampere, you can use the more detail on each measurement unit amps and or ampere. The SI unit of a basic electric is the ampere. 1 ampere is equal to the 1 amps or 1 ampere. Means this quantity has been the same. What is the formula of an ampere? AC single phase watt to ampere calculation formula. So the ampere are equal to watts divided by a power factor times volt. Means ampere is equal to watts into the power factor into the voltage. Means A is equal to V W upon T into V. If these peoples are thinking about the ampere, means the maximum ampere will be kill or not according to their safety precautions of electrical. An electrical device used to house wiring circuit can be under a certain condition transmission a vital current, which any amount of a current over a 10 million amperes 10 milliamperes is capable of producing a painful to serve a shock current between a 100 or a 200 micro or milliamperes are a lethal. Means according to the safety or a vital means a 200 milliampere or it's about to kill or give any painful to the user. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. In this video I have clearly explained about the what is ampere and the SI unit of ampere and where the ampere has been used, and also I have clearly explained about the amperes and the watts. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment below. I will be provide comment below if you have required any topic about the electrical technology. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep surprise me and support to the technical engineering. Thank you.